Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. I'm sharing a fun and simple way to make a dishwasher-safe mug for Valentine's Day. Start by cutting the design out of outdoor vinyl using your Cricut machine. You can get this free graphic on my blog. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure to weed out all the vinyl that isn't part of the design, and then use transfer tape to line up both colors of the design. Carefully clean the surface of the mug with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or grime, and then carefully place the transfer tape onto the mug and rub the design onto the mug surface. Peel the transfer tape off to reveal your mug. Outdoor vinyl is waterproof, but since the design is pretty small, I suggest covering it with a coat of dishwasher-safe decoupage medium. I hope you like this easy DIY as much as I do. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, subscribe to this channel if you aren't already, visit me on my blog, maddencrafts.com, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!